One of the biggest challenges in computer science is how do you turn total chaos into perfect order? Well, today we're going to break down a really clever and elegant way to do just that using an algorithm called merge sort.
So let's start with a really simple question. How do you sort something? Imagine you've got this list of numbers right here. It's just a complete jumble, right? No rhyme or reason to it. So how do you fix it?
And what you want is this, a perfectly sorted list, smallest to biggest. Going from that mess to this neat, tidy lineup, it kind of feels like a magic trick. But it's not magic at all. It's just a really beautiful logical process.
And the secret behind that trick? It's a powerful technique with a fantastic name, divide and conquer. Seriously, this one simple idea is the key to the whole thing.
All right, let's dive into that. What exactly is this divide and conquer strategy?
So, in the world of computer science, divide and conquer is a classic move.